Hey there, Brent. This is Ashley. I was doing a little bit of research in the St. Cloud area and I came across your website. I noticed that as far as your website goes, it could use a little bit of help as well as, your overall rankings in Google. And I, of course, see that you guys have the potential to get in those top positions. So I reached out, I spoke to Cindy, and yeah, here I am. But with that being said, I'm going to try and keep this video nice and short. I don't want to waste any of your time, and I don't want to waste any of my time either. So if by the end of this video you can see that I can help grow your business online and that's something that you are interested in, please reach out to me and we can chat. But if not, then just take the tips that I'm about to give you here in this video today for free and put them into action. All that I ask is for some feedback on this video if you don't mind. But with that being said, let's just jump right in. The three things that I want to cover in this video today are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, when it comes to your content, it has to be unique. That's as simple as it gets. It has to be unique content. It cannot be copied. Google will flag your site. With that being said, Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content, which I'll get into keywords later, but looking here on your guys' content now, you guys have roughly 300 words of content. I see that you guys do have, I went through your content a little bit earlier and I noticed you guys only have 2 keywords, which I mean is a start. It's a start, but like I said, I'll get into those later. So I did a general search in your area for HVAC St. Cloud, Florida, and these guys down here are your competitors. Now, if we take a look at what their content looks like, go down through. Honestly, they do not have much more at all. Maybe 350 words. Like, they clearly have more than you because, they are in that top position, but they do not have much at all. Like, I don't even see, yeah, they have some keywords hidden in there, and they may have some keywords hidden behind their pictures, because even, like, all this that is highlighted is all considered content, even what your pictures are saved as. But yeah, the more content, the better. Content is king to Google. So with that being said, I am just going to break down Google for you. Google's broken down into 3 different sections. Up here, as you can see, these are the ads. These guys are actually running ads. So, yeah, ads, I'm not a fan of ads. If they're not done correctly, they can become a money pit. And also, people can have ad blockers up if they're not set up correctly. Your target audience isn't going to even be seeing the ads that you are paying for your audience to see. So yeah, moving on. This section here is the GMB, now called the GMP, the Google My Business or Google My Page. And what gets you in this area is what's called a citation. A citation is just basically your business's name, address, and phone number listed across the web in different directories, such as Yelp. There's probably a bunch of them down here. Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List. They're all different examples of directories. But also having reviews and pictures. With this area here, you have to stay up to date with it in order to stay in these top 3 positions. And in these top 3 positions is where you want to be. I know when I go to Google, this is the first place that I look, is somewhere in these 3. But so see that these people are also in this GMB area here, but I did it for Frank since they're in the very, very top, just to see what citations they had. So we go over here to a paid tool that I use, and it shows me exactly how many citations they have and where they're getting them from. And not all citations are created equal. There's weak ones and there's powerful ones. So as we can see, they have 22 citations, and see how all these red ones say submittable? I would go in and I would submit for all of those for your business. What's working for them will, of course, work for you. But I'd also like to go in and add 80 to 100 more, swamp out the competition, And yeah. So moving on down to this next section, this area here is the last section of Google. This is the organic section. Now this directly deals with your website, and what gets you in this area is what's called a backlink. A backlink is just a link created when one website links back to your website. Now Google loves backlinks because Google looks at them as that other website that's linking back to you. It thinks of kind of thinks of it as like a vote that your business is trustworthy and legit. Just like a citation, though, backlinks are also not created equal. There's spammy ones, there's weak ones, and there's powerful ones. You want relevant backlinks pointing at you guys. You don't want a dentist or a Pizza Hut pointing at you guys. You want other businesses that offer the same services that you guys offer linking back to you guys, and that's for the most effectiveness. So I went through this first page, and of course you guys are not on here. I found you on the third page of Google, and nobody's going to be going to the third page of Google to find you. I'm not sure how you guys are getting your business right now. Maybe word of mouth, maybe, I'm not really sure, but it's definitely not going to be as far as what I can see from Google and as far as Google goes. So again, these people are in that top position. So we go over here to another paid tool that I use, and it just shows me a basic overview of your stats as well as your competitors. And here we can see, this is your site I have up. You have a UR of an 8 and a DR of a 25. Now, what makes me stop in my tracks right now is you have a DR of a 25, which ideally a 25 and 25, that's a golden ratio. That's huge. But what makes me hesitant about this is you only have one backlink. It's impossible to have a DR of a 25 with only one backlink. It's just not possible. So I don't know. I see that a lot with business sites. I didn't see that you guys were a business site, but I mean, it you guys very well could be. But if that's the case, that definitely needs to change, because that is this right here is a huge flag to Google. So yeah, I'm not sure. It could be, all of your strength is coming from your other page, but still, it's not possible to have only one backlink, especially coming from only one referring domain and have as high as a DR rating as you guys have. Now, the UR is the overall strength of your homepage, and the DR is the overall strength of your backlink profile based on a 100-point scale compared to others. Yeah, like I said, it's just not possible, but we'll figure that out down the road when we talk again. Easy fix, we can figure that out. But you have one backlink coming from one referring domain, and you have 13 organic keywords, bringing you in roughly 2 organic traffic, blah, blah, blah. But this is the stuff that I care about. This is the stuff that you care about that comes with time once we get all this worked out and all of it figured out. But as you can see, his DR is only a 2.9, and he has 188 backlinks, and that's why I said it's just not possible for you guys to have a 25. So they have a 22 as a UR, a 2.9 as a DR, 188 backlinks coming from 39 referring domains, and 2,000 keywords. That's huge. The keywords, which I'll get into in a little bit, but so this is good. They have 188 backlinks, which don't let those numbers scare you, because it's honestly not a lot, because out of those 188 backlinks, let's see, only 159 of them are do follows. And actually, let me take a look. Yeah, and out of those, what was it, 188? 139 of them are rated 0 to 10, and 31 of them are rated 11 through 20, which this is the worst rating scale for your backlinks. You want them to be, you want a good mix, but you want more towards, the green. So yeah, with that being said, the nice thing about this is we can go right into their backlinks and we can see where they're getting them from. I'd go in, I'd submit for all these for your business. Go back, and also we can go right into their organic keywords. Now, this is where I'll get into organic keywords. So organic keywords are huge when it comes to people finding you guys. You guys are not being found, and as I showed you, you guys only have 2 keywords in your content. If you were to have more, you'd be flagged. That's why content, it's all just as important, but as far as keywords goes, that's what people are finding you for. So all these keywords here are what these guys are being found for. And just to kind of put it in perspective, let me find a good one. I mean, honestly, even though it's 90, that's still a lot. So just to break it down, 90 people are going in the Google search bar and they are typing AC repair St. Cloud FL. And these guys are popping up and they're going to them instead of you guys. I don't know what a job is worth to you, but out of those 90 that seen them guys, 30 of them went right to their page, clicked on their page exactly. So say this was you guys and you were to land 15 of them and a job is worth, I don't know, 1,000 to you. You did the math, that's just off one keyword too. What else I have? Air conditioner repair St. Cloud FL 50. Air conditioner repair St. Cloud, FL, another 50. Air conditioning repair St. Cloud Space FL 60. You get the idea of why they are so important. And so what I do is I go throughout all your competitors, find the high volume, low KD, relevant keywords to your area and your services that you guys offer, and I would place them throughout that 1,500 words of content. That's why having that content is so necessary, so we can fit in those necessary keywords. But yeah, so with that being said, just to go over kind of everything that we went over content. Your front page needs at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. We went over citations, which is your business's name, address, and phone number listed across the web in different directories. You want to have at least, 100 to 200 of these. Swamp out the competition. You don't have nothing to worry about. And I have access to a pool of powerful citations and backlinks, so that's nothing that you would have to worry about. I can take care of that, no problem. And the third thing we went over was backlinks. You guys need more relevant backlinks pointing at you guys, and that's to show Google that you guys are the authority. These guys would not be hard to beat. Just looking, this is a basic template for a, air conditioning HVAC type site that they plugged in all their information. It's very poorly done. The only reason they're getting the business right now and you guys are not is because they did set it up a little bit better with the keywords and, all that fun stuff. And the backlinks and the citations and all that. That's why they're getting the business right now and you guys aren't. So yeah, with that being said, I hope this video was informative and helpful. I would love to, talk more with you, and I'd even love to break it down even more in depth. I can do more research and break it down even further for you if that's something you are interested in. But either way, reach out, we can chat. You can call or text at 570-536-4151. Once again, my name is Ashley, and my number is 570-536-4151. You can call, text, email, whatever works best for you. But yeah, I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great one, Brent. Bye.